In this iPad Basics Quick Click, I'm going to show you how to screen record. So to access the screen recording, you need to swipe down from the top right-hand corner to reveal your control center. This little icon down the bottom is the screen record button. Now firstly, I'm going to tap and hold it because I want to check whether my microphone is on or perhaps you actually want it off for the recording. So I'm actually going to turn mine off today. When I'm ready, I can just tap the icon. It's going to count down from 3. And then you're going to see this little red oval appear at the top. That means that whatever I'm doing on my screen is actually currently being recorded. When I'm ready to finish my screen recording, I'm going to tap that red icon and I'm going to click stop. And then it saves my screen recording directly to photos. So that's how you can record your screen on an iPad.